Welcome to Algebra Basics, Episode 1, Foundations of Thinking. In this video, we will explore the core concepts that define algebraic thought. Algebra is often called the language of unknowns. It is less about memorizing rules and more about learning a new way to describe and understand the world around us. At the heart of algebra are variables. These are letters that act as placeholders for unknown values. They allow us to create dynamic logic that works for any number, while keeping the relationships in our equations consistent. It is important to distinguish between expressions and equations. Expressions are mathematical phrases without an equal sign, while equations are complete mathematical sentences. A solution is the specific value for a variable that makes an equation true. For instance, an equation is nothing but an affirmative sentence. To solve problems consistently, we follow the order of operations, remembered by the acronym PEMDAS: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. The distributive property is a powerful tool. It acts as a bridge, allowing us to multiply groups by distributing a factor over addition. It is fundamental to simplifying expressions. Algebra operates within the real number system, which includes natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. All of these together make up the set of real numbers. When solving one-step equations, always remember the golden rule. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other to keep it balanced. Algebraic operations rely on inverses to undo each other. By using the inverse operation, we can isolate variables and find the solutions to our equations. Inequalities help us define ranges of values. Remember that if you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign to keep the statement accurate. The coordinate plane allows us to visualize algebraic equations as lines and curves. Key components include the origin, the four quadrants, and the use of ordered pairs to represent points. Algebra is used everywhere, in the real world. Engineers use it to calculate stress loads on bridges, and economists use it to model market supply and demand curves. We have established our foundation. You are now ready for Episode 2, where we will tackle multi-step puzzles and systems of equations. This video utilized various image sources to illustrate these concepts. Thank you for watching.